One more very important point that I really want to mention here, especially when you're doing bird watching, is that it is very essential for you to maintain a proper distance from the potential area where you might find birds and the spot that you're sitting here. It is very important because it gives a safe distance between the bird and you, also for you to observe the bird in its natural habitat, in its own natural behavior, without you scaring the birds. And for the birds also, it is good because then they also feel a sense of safety, and they will be in their own everyday activity and action as naturally as possible. Otherwise, the more closer you go, the more paranoid they'll be, and it is a good chance that they'll fly off. So it might not always be a successful bird watching experience, but if you try to take steps like this, you could probably get a successful experience here. And it doesn't matter if it is not a successful experience as well, because then you can take more and more chances to go into the wilderness and really observe the behavior of the birds and understand its behavior, and then slowly be more comfortable. And also, if you're going to one particular spot very regularly, even the birds, and even for that sake other animals, also get used to your presence there, and they'll be okay with you camping out or maybe even staying there for a while, and they will be in their own action, and then you could probably take some nice videos and pictures of these birds and animals. Especially with birds, you need a really lot of patience because they quickly fly from one point to other point. So you need to be very alert, and you just need to observe as much as you can to understand their behavior. Also, as I was surveying the area, I thought of a method that I thought it would be nice to share with you guys, which is when you are taking pictures and observing the area with either binoculars or even the naked eye, you can follow some other methods, like you take a potential area where you might think there could be birds by listening to the sounds or maybe movement of anything here and there, and fix your position to that spot. And then now when you're observing through the binoculars or even the camera and taking pictures, what you could do is you could divide this area into a grid form and then take pictures of each little spot, so that you could probably be more successful in finding the bird and probably spotting the birds. So this method would really help. I really follow this method. It helped me a lot, and I believe it would definitely help you guys. So this method is also very interesting and quite useful because it'll give you a very clear-cut understanding of the area. And also, if you are probably not finding the bird and looking for methods to rule out this spot and find another spot to find the birds, what you could do is when you survey the area in the grid form and take pictures, you can make sure yourself about that there's nothing to be found here, and then maybe slowly you can move on to a different spot wherever you think again there is another potential place where the birds can be there. Thank you.